Okay, that's one out. If we can see, we need some. If I move the phone a bit better, it might help us a bit. Peep, that's one. Okay, so the light is not great. I need some proper stuff to help me show things better. Okay, the tfv8. One coil out, so I reckon, peeps, we can rebuild. Bisa shoyo. God, I shouldn't have gone out drinking tonight. I really shouldn't have. Okay, so we've got one coil out, and there's the wrap around it. There we go. Right, there we go. And that's it. Well, that's really simple. That's really simple. Okay, right. Let's coil number one out the tfv8. Everyone can see that. There we go. So run first coil out. Got it out. There we go. There's the wrap, the wad. We can sort that, no problem. Okay. Coil number two. Okay. Turn it around. And there we go. Yeah. Come to Papa, as they say. Come to Papa. We're nearly there. Oh, that vodka's taken effect, mind you. I'd rather drink vodka than use it to clean our atties or things. There we go. Come to Papa. I need my other grippers. So, come on. It's like giving birth. Oh! It just popped out. There it is. There's the second one. Let's take the wrap off. The cotton. Dun, 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 dun. I'm really sorry about the lighting, guys. If it must be fucking awful, horrendous. It's just really sorry. Okay, there we go. And there's the coil. There's our coil. It's not in too bad a state, actually. It's just the cotton that screws up and it's screwed up, but we start again first. These fucking snips of shit. I need to get my proper ones out. There we go, right. There's the actual coil. It's number two. And as you can see, there's the cotton. So that's what we're looking like so far in the barrel. Dun, dun, dun. There's two of them out. Some bits that were missing I didn't show you actually before we started. There's the rubber insulator to separate the coils, the feet, the legs of it, positive and negative, and our Polston. There. Right. Two more to go. Come on, Jimmy, get your shit together. You can do this. Come on, son. here we are. Oh, it's a coil. Right, here we go. There's the cotton, so you can see. 4. There's our coil. Din din din. 1 to go, guys. 1 to go. As we can see, there's 1 to go. Just the 1. I'm really sorry about this shit picture, guys. Really am. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Get those legs out of the way. Slide that out. Oh! Oh! There we go. There we are. As we open her up, there she is. There's a cotton and the coil. Right. So now we should see down the barrel. Go see? Down the barrel. Here's the empty. There we go. Clean as a whistle. Right. Now okay. Those bits, let's just stick there out. So all we needed to do, this little bit that was stuck. Right. Clean, stripped. tfv8. Beast of a coil. Stripped, emptied. Fucking hell, bent me snip dips. Right. Just the rubber insulated bit. Got that bit still. Look at that. All in good nick. There is our 4 coils. I'll take that off. I've got 4 of them. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wines. So it's 6 wines, 4 coils. So why are they calling it the V8? There's not actually 8 coils in here. It's a bit of a mystery. I'll get shit for this. Taking our stuff apart. Well, I fucking did. Right, so there we go. There's the coils, 4 of them, 6 wines. And there's the cotton. So I reckon we can rewrap this and fill it back up. Right. I need a break and a cuppa. And I'll get back to you on this one, guys. And see if I can do this shit. Right. We can do this all the better, eh? Because they're £15.99 for 3 of these freaking fucking things. Ain't cheap. Smoking bad drips. Cereal trip, isn't it? tfv8 in here. It's okay. I wouldn't go nuts on this cereal trip. I think all the other flavours are great, but cereal trip, I would say I would give it 5. I wouldn't say it's great. It was okay. It's not crap of ours, you know, better, but the other flavours are way better than the cereal trip in my opinion. So a new one of these for this, yeah?
To be continued. I'll be back.